Alright guys, welcome to another episode of This Is Anything Goes. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the gear knob as well as the handbrake cover and replace it with the aftermarket parts. These are not original Riley Arts parts, but it's just cheap imitation from China, but it works. Alright, so if you have actually followed my videos or my previous videos, you will have noticed that this is actually in stock all this while. Alright, so I've taken it out just because there are people who ask me how to remove the gear knob and how to remove the handbrake cover and how to install this. Alright, so without wasting any time, let's get to it. Okay, let's start off with something simple, which is the gear knob. So for the gear knob, just twist it anti-clockwise. Alright, there's a lot of twisting involved here. Yep, that's it. Just twist it out. As for the handbrake cover, alright, if this is the first time you're doing it, it might be a bit tough. Alright, so what you can do is you can just hold it like this, grip it tight, turn it back and forth like this until you hear that it gets loose. Then what you do is you hold it with both hands. As you wiggle it, you push it out. Alright, let's do it. Again, if this is the first time, it might take a lot of strength. Yeah, we only this much. That's it. Alright, so originally I think there might be some glue to it, but I can't be certain. But that's how you remove the handbrake cover. Alright, it's very tough. The first time you remove it, it's gonna be very tough. Okay, next up, let's install the new aftermarket handbrake cover. Okay, so we'll need hex key for this. Alright, so there's actually two hex head screws over here to actually bolt it here. So what you do is you slide it in. Might want to loosen this first. Okay, once you're at the base, make sure it's straight. Okay, hold it tight. Then tighten the two screws here with your hex key, alright? Make sure there's no wiggling. If there is, make sure you tighten it. Okay, that's done. Next up, the plate here, which is held on by two screws as well. Okay, so I know that for mine it's a bit on the loose side. See? Alright. So what I do is I put in a piece of paper and I'll slide it in. Okay. That's it for the handbrake. And now for the gear knob. Okay, for the gear knob, there's a couple of pieces here. Okay, we just need to put in this base. Okay, once it's in there, once it's in there, just tighten it. Then just screw this on. That's it. Alright guys, that's how you uninstall the handbrake cover as well as the gear knob from the Proton Inspira aka Lancer 08, and this is how we install the aftermarket ones. Alright, so if you like this, make sure you hit the like button. If you disliked it, you know what to do, but leave us a comment on how to improve further. Alright, and as usual, if you think your friends, family, pets, neighbors can benefit from this, hit the share button and hit subscribe. Alright, because every subscription counts. Alright, till next time, see ya.